Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bloom. First, ensure you download the official Bloom application from a trusted source to avoid security risks. Once installed, open the application and proceed to create your new user account. Remember to use a strong, unique password for maximum security. After entering your details, you will receive an email. Verify your address to fully activate your Bloom account and begin your journey. Now that your account is active, let's dive into the initial configuration. Log in and immediately head to the Settings menu, usually found via a gear icon. Here, you can adjust your privacy preferences, deciding what data you wish to share. Crucially, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, protecting your account even if your password is compromised. It's a small step that makes a big difference. With the basics covered, let's explore some advanced features to optimize your Bloom experience. Check out the integration options to connect Bloom with other applications you use, streamlining your workflow. Next, customize your notification settings to receive alerts that matter most to you, avoiding unnecessary distractions. Finally, configure your data backup preferences to ensure your information is always safe and recoverable. To ensure everything is running smoothly, perform a comprehensive test run of Bloom's core functionalities. This helps identify any potential issues early on. Review the performance metrics within the application and adjust your settings as needed for optimal efficiency. Remember, a well-configured Bloom setup can significantly enhance your productivity. Also, for those looking to improve their financial mindset, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.